Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, my name is Nori Anggreni. I will explain you my research. The title of my research is Application of Ecological Values in Literature Learning. This study aims to describe how ecological value that concern on the environment can be included in learning literature in school. In the midst of issues of natural damage that are troubling the world, such as rising air temperatures, uncontrolled waste, air pollution, then literature as a medium that functions not only to entertain but also to educate can be used to raise awareness among students at school by incorporating ecological value into literary learning. The application of ecological values in learning is very necessary in growing the character of students who care about the environment. The application can be done by customizing the material in syllabus, preparation of learning implementation plan, using learning resources according to the material, use the learning media that support the material. In the learning literature, the syllabus is the most important part in formulating the lesson to be taught. The syllabus contains a set of basic competence, subject matter, learning, GPA, assessment, time allocation, and learning resources. Zubaidi and at 2015 explained that in completing the syllabus, it is also necessary to determine national standard in measuring student abilities in developing learning model that will be applied. This adjustment also affects the use of textbooks that are adapted to the material to be taught. In developing a syllabus, it is necessary to have an understanding of the principle that put forward scientific meaning that the material taught can be accounted for. Relevant means according to the ability level of student. Learning media is a tool used by education in helping students understand the learning material to be taught, along with the development of science and technology, especially in the field of education. Various efforts are made to bring up renewal. In the world of education, learning media is part of education technology in the form of means the clarify learning material. Through learning media, students will be easily interested and simulated in developing understanding, knowledge, and skill that will be used as a result when the learning process takes place. The application of ecological value in learning needs to be adjusted to the use of learning media, which will be the main tool to help teachers provide additional understanding to students to be better understanding to the material. The lesson, the conclusion, the lesson learned can provide inspiration for both reviewers and connoisseurs of literary works. From the study of literature, it is inseparable from the values that will be give rise to the characteristic of literary work. The application of ecological value in literary learning can make students more appreciative of environmental sustainability. The application of ecological value can be seen from the learning tool paper. Teacher can relate it to literary learning in school. Its application can be done by adjusting the material in syllabus, preparing the learning implementation plan, using learning resources according to the material, and using learning media that support the material. I think that's all my explanation. Thank you.